Hello there, welcome back to the new lecture. So in this lecture we'll show you how to create the lighting circuit. Okay, here already we have placed the panel board. If you see, separate panel board we are using for ground floor, separate lighting plus power distribution board we have used for first floor and second floor. Okay, so now after the placement of panel board, now we have to create the lighting circuit, power circuit, that we'll discuss. First we'll show you how to create the lighting circuit here. So now the question is, first thing, from one panel board, means from one lighting plus power distribution board, how much circuit we can pass. So as per common practice, maximum 36 circuit we can pass. This value will be vary as per manufacturer to manufacturer. Okay, but as per common practice, 36 circuit we can pass from one panel board. Okay, or from one distribution board. Okay, so now as you know that we need to create the lighting circuit and power circuit. So now the question is, in one lighting circuit, how much load we can connect as per IEC. So remember, the amount of load you can connect to a single lighting or power circuit is regulated by the International Electrotechnical Commission standard and depends on factors such as the circuit breaker rating, conductor size and local code. So here we'll show you some general guidelines so you will get the idea. So if we talk about the lighting circuit, so it is common practice to limit a lighting circuit to 10 to 12 lights point. Means in one lighting circuit you can connect, as per common practice, you can connect 10 to 12 lighting fixtures or light points to ensure easy maintenance and prevent overloading. Okay, for larger building, IEC suggests using separate circuit for different areas. Okay, actual calculation, remember, actual load, how much load we need to connect in lighting circuit is totally depends on what, as I told you, na, circuit breaker ratings. Okay, but as per common practice, in one lighting circuit we can connect 10 to 12 lights point to ensure easy maintenance and prevent overloading. Okay, so we'll I assume here in one lighting circuit 10 to 12 points we can connect, and maximum how much lighting circuit and power circuit we can pass, 36 circuit. Okay, so here we are using separate lighting plus power distribution board for ground floor. So let's see, we'll take. So first of all, to create the lighting circuit, you need to select the number of lighting points from the drawing that to be connect on one circuit. So as I told you, as per common practice, 10 to 12 light points we can connect in one circuit. So let's say I'm selecting 1, 2, 3. With the help of control key, you can select the lighting fixture. So how many lights is connected? 9 lights. Okay, so you can connect in one circuit. Okay, 10 to 12 na, so 9 lights I have placed here, 9, 10, 11, 12. Otherwise what you can do na, here I am just connecting, see, only 9 number of lighting fixtures in one circuit. Okay, you can go up to 10 to 12 number of points you can connect. So after selecting the lighting fixtures, come here in the modify tab, create system panel. Here you will get the option of power. Can you see? So create a power circuit for the selected electrical device or lighting circuit. So hit on power from here. Now in the system panel they will ask you, see, you will get one message. So from here in the panel list, what you can do, select the required panel name. What name we have given? Ground floor. We need to connect this to the ground floor lighting plus power distribution board. So just select it. See, now here we have created the circuit. If you see, press the escape bar. Now if you want to see the circuit which we have created, take the mouse near to any of the lighting fixtures. Okay, take mouse near to any points, lighting points, press the tab key. See, automatically here you can see the circuit is showing. Okay, same way for the remaining one. See, now what I am doing, I am selecting the light, this all light, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and for that we are using separate circuit. So select the number of light, hit on power from here, and from the panel list you have to connect with the ground floor lighting plus power. See the circuit we have created. Now for the remaining, like suppose this, we can connect maximum how much points, uh, up to 12 points. Okay, so suppose this one also I have connected this all in the next circuit. So hit on power, and in the panel just select the ground floor. We need to connect with the ground floor lighting plus power distribution board, correct? Now the remaining 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Suppose this also I have connected. So hit on power from here, and here I have selected ground floor power distribution board. See, we have connected that. Now the remaining light, this one. Okay, for that we are using separate lighting circuit. So hit on power, and from here connect with the ground floor lighting plus power distribution board. Same way for this one, remaining light. Okay, so here we are creating the lighting circuit. Is it clear? Suppose 4 for 8 lights are there. Okay, just go for that. Connected with lighting power distribution board. Okay, now I think here washroom light is also remaining. So with the help of control key you can select the complete lighting fixture 4 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Even see this two lights, staircase also I have selected. Hit on power and connect with the ground floor lighting plus power distribution board. See, so in this way we need to create the circuit. Okay, so here I have done for the ground floor plan. Same way you need to open the first floor plan and create the circuit. Okay, and connect with this the first floor lighting plus power. See, like this. Suppose here I have selected the lighting fixture. Total how many lights? 6, and 6 light is here, means 12 lights we can connect in one lighting circuit, as I told you, as per common practice. Actual calculation is totally lighting, the load in lighting fixture or power circuit is totally depends on the circuit breaker rating. Okay, so here I have selected, hit on power from here. Now panel board, now I am selecting first floor because I want to connect this lighting point to the first floor lighting plus power distribution board. Okay, like this you have to do the connection. So this is all about how to create circuit. Hope all of you enjoy the session. See you in next one.